Yep.
Kitty, kitty, kitty. What? What you got there, Kit Kat? Aww. Poor little bird. It's such a pretty thing. Should I pick it up?
Cat's not interested. Knows it's there.
She likes to catch her prey.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah, see if you can save it, I guess. I don't know. It may just be stunned. Jewel, kitty kitty.
It is stunned.
I don't know if it would live or not.
I can put it in the cage with the chickens.
Yeah, try. See what happens, huh?
Aww. Yeah, we've had the sun hit the window before. They come for the... Oh, isn't it pretty?
Mm-hmm.
Got the yellow tail.
Yeah.
They come for the berries.
Mm-hmm.
Can't put it in the chicken yet. Hey, kitty.